Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Phumi. For all my returning subbies, you guys, I really appreciate you so much. And if it's your first time darling to be on this channel, please do like, comment, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that next time when I drop a video you'll be the first to be notified.
Centella, quick calming pad. Thought my phone was recording LOL, but just continued applying the moisture from the calming pad all over my face. Centella Probiotica Intensive Ampule Phumienesane restores the correct balance of oils and water in the skin and protects the skin from external harmful influence. Common Labs Vitamin C Brightening Ampule. Mixsoon Bean Essence. I love Mixsoon skin product, as it's thick and I started seeing the changes in just 3 days of using it, like hydration and plumpness of my skin. Really love it for that. Centella Probiotica Bakuchioli Cream. Bakuchioli cream really helping me reduce under eyes dark circles. Centella Common Labs Vitamin C Brightening Sun Serum.